Sit on the floor. For those with tight hips, sit on a top of a block or a bolster or a folded towel. Cross one shin in front of the other, bringing each foot underneath the opposite knee. Relax your feet with the little toe edge resting on the floor. Sit with your pelvis in a neutral position. On an inhale, roll your shoulders up to your ears, and on an exhale, roll your shoulders down your back. This straightens your spine and improves posture. Bring your head over your pelvis, creating one long length of energy up and down your body. Imagine like a string is pulling the crown of your head towards the ceiling. Elongate your neck. Bring your chin parallel to the floor and gaze gently ahead of you. Release every muscle in your face, including your forehead, scalp and tongue. Fully relax your face while keeping the rest of your body active. Place your hands on top of your knees, either the palms facing down or facing the sky, with the option of taking a hand mudra position. And then you can